Here we want to express the following in interval notation. I have some graphs here so that we can graph them because it's easier to go from the inequality of the graph to the interval. So here it says all x greater than 1. So I find 1 here, and it's greater than 1, so we don't want to include it. When we don't want to include the value, we use a parenthesis. So this would mean parenthesis and then to the right because those numbers are greater than 1. So I put a parenthesis here, and then an arrow to the right, and that would be all the numbers greater than 1. So then what I can do is just drop right below here. So when we write interval notation, we have a first number and a second number. The first number is where does it start? It starts at 1. And the second number is where does it go to? It goes to infinity. And what we have here are two parentheses on either end because we're not equal to 1. So this shows not equal to 1. And this shows going to infinity and not equal to infinity. Remember, you can never be equal to infinity. Alright, number 2, this says all numbers x that are less than or equal to 3. So now I go find the 3. Here's a 3. Less than are this way. And so I would put a bracket on the 3 because it's an equal to. See, the equal to means equal to 3 versus not equal to 1. So equal to 3 and less, and an arrow going this way. Now when I go to write my interval notation, I have the same two numbers, but this side, on the right side, is the largest number, the left side is the smallest number. So here, the largest number in this area is 3, has a bracket on it, see, right there, equal to 3, from negative infinity this time, because the arrow goes down negative forever, and a parenthesis around there. So this represents all of the numbers that are less than or equal to negative 3. Notice, negative infinity up to 3, including 3. The last one is in the set notation or set builder notation. All it says is this: all x such that vertical line means such that, x is between negative 3 and positive 4, including positive 4. So x is all the numbers between negative 3 and positive 4, and it could be positive 4 as well. So you literally see that x is between those numbers, and that's what it means. If I read it left to right, it would say negative 3 is less than the number x. Negative 3 is less than the number you choose, and that number x is less than or equal to 4. So it's between them again. So I go here, I find negative 3. Negative 3 is less than x, so I put a parenthesis on the negative 3. I put a bracket on the 4, and I just draw a line in between them like this. This represents all the numbers between negative 3 and 4, and so that's the exact same thing that says. Now what's nice about this is I just drop it down, parenthesis, bracket, negative 3, comma 4, boom, we have the interval notation.